Hello dear friends. In my previous video we have seen some important aspects of curriculum vitae, that is personal data, academic achievement and educational qualifications, extracurricular activities, experiences and references. There are some guidelines we have seen also in my previous lecture, and there are some don'ts you should not do during the CV writing. Some important points we have discussed in my previous video. Now we are going to discuss about the CV sample. Here is the CV sample of the candidate who is seeking job as an executive in marketing. So how he had written his CV is given here. You can give title on the top of the page, curriculum vitae. Then start from left side of the page, full name : Kiran Shinde. Next point, father's name : Narayan Shinde. The next point, sex : male. Next point, date of birth, that is 25th January 1999, or whatever it may be, you can mention there. Then next point, marital status : if you are single, write single there. If you are married, write married there. Your permanent address, you have to code there your permanent address by keeping a colon after permanent address. Then next point is telephone number, give colon and then give your telephone number. Actually landline number you should give there. Then cell phone, give colon and give your mobile number. And then email, give colon and then give your email ID. So this is a personal data or information. Then educational information. The first you have to mention your latest qualification, and that's why first point is postgraduate in business management. Kiran Shinde has written here, postgraduate in business management, first class with distinction from Cyber Kolhapur 1999. Because the date of birth he has written here 25th January 1976, and that's why here post graduation he has completed in 1999 from Cyber Institute of Kolhapur. Then his bachelor's experience or educational qualification is given here. Second point is Bachelor of Science first class from Shivaji University Kolhapur in 1997. Then higher secondary, that is 12th standard first class with distinction from Pune HSC board in 1994. There may be a difference. There may be a difference of Kolhapur board and Pune board. I don't know exactly the date of establishing and beginning of Kolhapur board, but when I was in 12th standard there was a Pune board, and now it has changed for our people are living in this area, that is Satara, Sangli and Kolhapur district. So their board is changed, it becomes Kolhapur now. In that time 1994, I don't know actually, you have to find out. And then his next qualification is secondary, that is 10th standard with first class from Pune SSC board 1999. Then he has written computer literate, that is MSCIT has completed, and other minor certificate courses also. So these are his educational qualifications. Then scholarship and awards. The first award Best Athlete Award in College for Outstanding Performance in 1996. Then Merit Scholarship in BSc, that is in 1995 to 1997. Then co-curricular activities he has participated in. First is NCC, 2 years in college. First national camp and represented Maharashtra in Delhi for the Republic Day 1996 ceremony. This is a grand success, a grand achievement as an NSS candidate, and that should be first. And that is here firstly mentioned in his co-curricular activity. The second point is NSS, member of National Social Service Scheme, for 2 years at college level. Our college also has an NSS, National Service Scheme, 2 years program is there. 2 programs are working for NSS, and the capacity of NSS is 200 students. So you can participate in our college NSS scheme also. Then there is a sports co-curricular activity. Represented Shivaji University at national level athletics meet at Chandigarh, Punjab 1995. The competitions held at Chandigarh, Punjab in 1995. He represented Shivaji University at national level athletics competitions. Then elocution competition, best speaker award at state level intercollegiate elocution competition in 1995. So all these awards and medals he received, which are coming under co-curricular activities. Then experience, 2004 to 2006, assistant manager, Dabur Laboratories, Mumbai. Latest experience he mentioned first, and at the second point he mentioned next experience, that 2002 to 2004, assistant manager, Mumbai Iron and Steel, Mumbai. So you should mention latest experience first and then first experience later. My work at both places involved looking after the accounts. He mentioned the nature of his job also, giving instructions to junior staff and dealing with client and suppliers. What was the nature of his job? He mentioned clearly what kind of work he had done in both the companies. He mentioned clearly in the title of experience. And references, Dr. S.K. Naik, the principal, the New College Kolhapur, the then principal. He is not now the principal of that college. Then Dr. S.K. Patil, the principal, Chhatrapati Shahu Institute of Business Administration and Research, Kolhapur. Both the principals where he studied at graduate level and postgraduate level. The principal is definitely will speak about him if he is asked. And third person he has given, that Mr. Ashok Patil, General Manager, Dabur Laboratories, Mumbai, where he worked as an officer in Dabur Laboratories, Mumbai. He has given a general manager's reference here, so that a new company can contact all these 3 people and ask about Shinde and his career. So this is a pattern or a sample of curriculum vitae. You should point out, note down by rereading again and again, repeat it again and again, and try to write clear and exact information about you personally. Curriculum, as you know, curriculum vitae is your personal information as well as your qualification information and information about your extracurricular activities, sports activities, and co-curricular activities. So all these information related to you, this is the mirror of your nature, your being, a person, and that's why your mirror should be clear, and that should be that should represent you as a very nice person. So here ends curriculum vitae as CV. The point mentioned in your model number 2, writing official letters and CV. So CV, I have completed this point here, and your previous point, writing official letters for various jobs. The point will be taught to you by Dr. Bosale Yasa. So thank you very much.